there's a Bradley just shooting our shit down.
I like the side plates on this. It's the only way.
Oh, fucking fuck.
Into your ribs.
Dude, what just happened, bro?
We're stunting.
Dude.
Is that a cobra in front of us?
I don't know.
Fuck him up.
I can't even see it.
Straight ahead, straight ahead, straight ahead.
We're good.
The window, and it just goes blue.
It looks
always
crazy
worries
from the
me.
back. It looks fucking nuts, dude.
Dude, looks like a shitty roller coaster. I can't see.
I have a little square window.
Fuck, okay. We're gonna try and land. Hopefully the cobra don't come back. Look like there's RTB.
He knows who's fucking with.
Close the door. Bella. They're gonna shoot
Get
us when
ready.
we land. Oh my god. I guess it's open doors.
Oh, it's stuck. Frames.
No!
Oh, my back.
I'm on con in the back.
We're good. Pull lucky out.
I think the pilot's also on con.
No, Mount's out. He's out.
Oh, the helicopter's still in the air.
Oh my god. Gotta catch it.
Shoot the fucking
There's
rotors.
enemies
Shoot
in
the rotors.
Tenor. Enemies in Tenor.
No, we'll get it.
Shoot the rotors. Get me out of here, damn it.
It's gonna land. It's landing.
I'm dying. I'm gray. I'm dead. I am dead. I'm officially dead. I didn't say leave.
Oh
You
my
guys
god.
can't get me out.
The fucking thing took you all out.
Abducted by the fucking helicopter.
Oh, man. How did I get a friendly killed? What the fuck? I'm coming. I'm trying, Lucky. Lucky's done.
I think we lost Lucky.
Unfucking believable.
That was hilarious.
You know what?